Hello students, welcome to the video number 57 for third semester B students. Topic is calculus of variations. So problem number 2, find the extremal of the functional integration x1 to x2 y square plus y dash square plus 2y e raised to x with respect to x, that is dx. To solve this problem, first we have to write let the term given f of x y y dash is equals to y square plus y dash square plus 2y e raised to x. Now Euler's equation, what is that? Dou f by dou y minus d by dx. Next, dou f by dou y dash. In last session we had seen this is equals to 0. So this equation becomes Euler's equation, dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash is equals to 0. So dou f by dou y of f is this one with respect to y. So here y is there, here y is there. So this term get cancelled constant because we are partial differentiation with respect to y. So it becomes 2y. This will 0 and this one plus y there. So 2 into e raised to x, 2 into e raised to x minus d by dx of dou by dou y dash with respect to y dash. So y dash term dou f by dou y dash. So y dash here y dash is there. This term get constant, that means it is 0 here. So it becomes y dash square means 2 y dash is equals to 0, or we can write here 2 is there, 2 divided by 2, that means y plus y plus e raised to x minus d by dx of, here 2 get cancelled, d by dx of y dash is nothing but y double dash, 2 times differentiation, y double dash, this becomes 0, or y dash or y double dash minus y is equals to e raised to x, or can write d square minus 1 y is equals to e raised to x. Y double dash means d square, d means d by dx, 2 times differentiation. So it is where d is equals to d by dx. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 is equals to 0. You already know this one. So m is equal to plus or minus 1. Hence complementary function is y of c is equals to, roots are different, that means c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x, and particular integral pi is equals to y of p is equals to e raised to x divided by d square minus 1 is equals to e raised to ax it is. So y of p is equals to e raised to ax divided by f of d. So a here 1, so we can put d is equal to 1, then it becomes 1 minus 1, it is 0. So e raised to x by 0, or you can write here 1 replacing d by 1. A is 1, e raised to ax 1. So putting d equals to 1 or replacing d by 1, so we get 0. Whenever it is 0, so in denominator, so y of p is equals to x into e raised to x and differentiating this term 2d, and again x into, so here you know d is equals to d by dx, that means 1 by d is equals to integral, that means we have to integrate this term. So 1 by d is there, so in place of e raised to x, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x, and this d 1 by d means integration we have taken, and this 2. So next we have y is equals to yc plus yp, complementary function and particular integral. So thus answer is, in terms of y, it is first, what is that, c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x plus x into e raised to x by 2. This is the required answer for this problem. Hope you understood this problem. Simple problem asked in VTV January 2020 for 6 marks.